Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the stickies in your MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the launchpad. If you want to open the launchpad from here, you can also do that. Or if you want to open this through a shortcut key, you can also do that. Simply you have to press the F4 and the launchpad will be open. So after that, as you can see, has an option for the stickies. So we have to click on the stickies. And after clicking on this, as you can see here, you will be able to add your all the note. If you want to add any kind of simple and the short notes which should be saved, then simply you write that. For example, I'm going to write the hello, how, for example, let's delete this one, and now I'm going to write the how are you, this is my first note. And then simply, as you can see, I have written this one, and now let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, it has an option for the save. If you want to save this one, then simply you have to provide the detail, the like the name of the file and the text and where it should be saved, and then simply format plain text rtf rtfd. You have to select that, and then simply you have to hit the save. But I don't want to save this one, so I'm going to click on the cancel, and now click on again, and now let's delete the note, and it will be deleted in this way. So in this way you can use the stickies and delete and save note as well. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.